Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this elder bean avatar from Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this elder bean avatar for free, you can join the Grow a Garden game, and then you can go to this location, okay, right here, and you will see this elder bean avatar. You can talk to him, and then you can select I want to join the course. Okay, and after that you'll be able to unlock this avatar, and as you can see I have already equipped this avatar and I have applied this avatar. Okay, that's so cool actually. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.